It is about time for a channel update. For those of you that have been following this channel for a while, the last few videos might have been a bit confusing. Anyway, after 3 years of focus on electric aviation and drones in Swedish, I have decided to broaden the channel's horizons a bit. We moved from Gothenburg to the countryside in Torsby, Sweden 5 years ago, and this was really what started my interest in electric aviation and drones, as I see massive possibilities to improve quality of life and the possibilities for doing business in the countryside with the help of those two technologies. And I still do, but there are also other new technologies that bring equally exciting possibilities to the countryside and that are also often related to electric aviation and drones. So from now on, you might also see some videos about new energy solutions and autonomous ground vehicles, and possibly even more topics later on. The videos will be angled towards a use in the countryside, and I will also continue to comment on the sustainability of the new solutions. The new channel name is Future Country, to reflect the focus on future solutions that make the countryside better to live in and do business in. I have switched to English to increase the chances to come in contact with people in the countryside all over the world that are interested in these topics. Another advantage with English is that the subtitles are being produced automatically by YouTube. So if you don't want to watch a video with sound, just turn on the subtitles to be able to follow. I hope you will enjoy this new channel focus and see you in the next one.